My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Vauxhall Astra. This vehicle has done just over 43,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access audio, projection, gallery and settings, smartphone integration and OnStar. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.